Hi guys! Today we are in the city Pentzia in the Vizcaya province of the Basco country autonomous community. There are only 4,300 residents here according to 2018. It is a resort town with a large beach at the mouth of the river. The bay has the shape of a shield and is separated by two more towns, Gorlitsa and Barrica. The place is very popular among wealthy Bilbao residents who buy houses here for their summer holidays and weekends. This is Barrica beach in the Vizcaya province of the Basco country autonomous community. This wild beach, 600 meters long, is 25 kilometers from Bilbao. The highlight of this place is a twisted stone staircase that meanders directly to the beach. It is considered ideal for surfers. But the beauty of this place also hides its danger. The beach completely disappears with the onset of high tide. This phenomenon is signaled by numerous warning signs before going down.